It's Tuesday, the 21st. You'd think I'd figure all that out before I turned on my video, but I never do. So anyway, it's the way I fly, seat of the pants. Anyway, today is the 21st of March, and it's Tuesday, and I thought today I would do Notions Tuesday. So we haven't talked about notions in a while, and I have several that are my favorites, several that you cannot live without in your notions bag. And so I just want you to see what we've got, and there's more where this came from. I can't tell you all about everything that I have. So everybody needs darning needles, right? To sew in those crazy ends. Everybody needs darning needles, and these are great. They have a little case that comes with them. This one has 3 different sizes, and it's a straight point. These is 2 the same size with a bent tip, and this has straight ends and 3 different sizes. This one has bent tips and 3 sizes. So you have your choices. I use this one most of the time. Anyway, although it's nice to have these thinner ones when you want to do put thread through a button, put yarn through a button in the top of the hat or sewing on a thing. It's nice to have that smaller needle. All right, so that's great. Love those, gotta have them. Stitch markers, these are my fave by far. This is Cocoa Knits. These are the small stitch markers. This goes up to a size 7 needle. And lately, a 7 needle is as big as I want to knit on, preferably smaller. So these are awesome. They're multicolored. There's 60 in a tin, and they are metal. They also come in this medium size, which goes up to a 13, right? And then for all you crocheters, or if you want to mark the front and backs of your work, these are the open looped. They have the open hook. Okay, so can't live without those. We sell them for $12. This is the cording that you can use to, it has a hole in the end. It's a cord like this. There's 3 different sizes in here. There's a hole on the end of that, and you stick your needle point in that hole, and you slide all of your stitches onto the cord and off of the needle if you want to try it on. This has 3 different cords in it. And it is $19.95. So can't live without it. Yes. Anyway, 3 different cords. So it comes in different colors. All right, so you can't live without that if you're a sweater knitter and you want to try it on. Perfect. Now, who doesn't love a measuring tape, right? Well, these are adorable from Lantern Moon. Look at these fuzzy little sheep. So cute. And the tail pulls out, and you punch something, and it goes back in. Where's the punch? Maybe not. Oh, no. Maybe you just pull and it goes. Nope. All right. Well, okay, I shouldn't have told you that one. Anyway, I can't find the puncher on this one, but it's a cute sheep. Holly, you're losing your mind. I don't know what's happening. But in the meantime, you could have a frog as well. The sheep, you can have a black sheep as well. The sheep are $20. The crocheted frog is $12.50. And the crocheted owl is also $12.50. Love these guys. Got to have a little humor. There's my pin. I've looked all over for my name tag. I was like, I know I got my name tag out. I know I got it out. Where did I put it? All right, there we go. Now, love a cable hook. I'm not a cabler, but if you have to cable, it's not my favorite thing, but I know you guys love to cable sometimes. My favorite hook is the horseshoe hook, the J hook, because you can slip them off onto there and knit them off the other side, and they don't come off. But if you are a fan of the dip in the middle, then this one from Cocoa Knits is lovely. These are $6.95. These are $4. We also have the plastic in this straight shape as well. So your choice. We have lots of choices. It's always great to have a crochet hook in your bag for drop stitches. These from Knitter's Pride, this little kit called the repair hooks. they're great. There's 3 different sizes. They're smaller. They're not like carrying around a big crochet hook, and you could also knit off the other end. So love these. Knitter's Pride. These are $9.50. So you could just beef up your Notions bag. Cannot live without this if you are doing anything in your pattern. If you're working with a paper pattern, you peel it off, you peel it on, you stick it on what you're working on, you move it up. When it gets tired, you throw it away and you tear off a new piece. Highlighter tape. Love, love, love it. We have it funky, my favorite green. We've got pink right now. We've got orange. We got blue. We can get you happy with one of those colors. It's awesome. Can't live without highlighter tape. And then I love this for a gauge ruler. It's the Easy Peasy gauge ruler. It's magnified, if you can tell, and it's divided up. So these are 1-inch increments, so you can count your stitches through it. It is $12.50. The Easy Peasy gauge ruler. Love that. Coco Knits, if you have stitch stoppers and different size needles, these are the greatest. Little stitch stoppers, $13.50 for a whole bucket. There are 24 pieces in here in different sizes and shapes. Love those. And last but not least, cannot live without a pair of lovely sewing scissors. We've got them in all kinds of stork bird shapes, all kinds of colors. The $12 for the scissors, and I always recommend everybody get a sheath for $3.95, and you can pop it down in there. So that makes a nice little set. I think that's my whole plethora of Notions, even though there's 10,000 more on the wall. But tonight, in case you need something new, call me and I will figure out how to close this one. I can't believe I can't close it. It's so crazy. Maybe they forgot how to do that. Who knows? Anyway, I'll figure it out. Call me, 910-692-3528, and we will get you outfitted with a Notions bag to die for. All right, that's it. That's all I know today. This was tomorrow actually is the last day to vote for the customer showcase. It's been fantastic, and I will be drawing names and winners late tomorrow afternoon. We're open till 7, so I'll probably do it around, I don't know, 4:30 or 5. All right, that's it. I will see you tomorrow.